Well, we had a lot of sunshine for today, a very nice looking sky. The sun, though, has set and very a winter looking scene over the city with those blue and purple hues above the city right now. Temperature wise, interesting day. 51 degrees was our high temperature. That was actually last night. That low of 40 was earlier this morning, but those temperatures are certainly going to be a lot colder as we head into the later evening hours. We're down to 42 degrees for us here in Savannah most of the afternoon, upper 30s to lower 40s. 36 degrees though right now for Sylvania, Statesboro 39 degrees, even Hilton Head right now lower 40s. When you factor in the strong breeze, strong wind rather, that has been gusting over 30 miles per hour, it has been feeling chillier throughout the day. The winds are starting to subside a little bit, and as those dews start to calm down with that clear sky and very dry air in place, temperatures will drop off rather quickly. Wind chill values right now below freezing for a few of our inland locations, feeling like 29 degrees right now for Sylvania. 35 is how it feels right now here in Savannah. So that is going to be a concern going into the overnight hours as those temperatures drop off. Feels like values overnight will be between 10 and 20 degrees. So there's a cold weather advisory in place, but all of the area will be dealing with temperatures, actual air temperatures well below freezing. So we will be waking up to lows in the teens and 20s for most of us. So it is a weather aware night across the region. So make sure you do have a way to stay warm indoors, and don't forget to bring the pets indoors for tonight. Tomorrow we will have lots of sunshine. Temperatures will be able to climb pretty quickly, upper 40s to lower 50s for those afternoon high temperatures. We will have a southerly breeze, so then tomorrow night will be a little bit milder until we get into Saturday. The conditions will continue to get milder, but then a frontal boundary will start to move in for Sunday. That will pick up some Gulf moisture and bring us the potential for a wintry situation across the southeast. Snow is possible for us locally, but mostly rain is expected at this point, but that change to snow or a mix is possible during Sunday afternoon once the colder air starts to funnel in. The greatest impacts from anything in the way of snowfall would be further inland. So rain to snow across much of the area, even for us at the coast. That is possible, where we could have a coating of snow on the grassy surfaces, but a coating to about a half an inch perhaps for our inland communities at this point. And this is a forecast that we will be adjusting over the next day or so. There's still going to be a lot more data coming in, but I think at this point the greatest concern is going to be Sunday night and into Monday because of very cold temperatures. All that precipitation falling will refreeze on the roadways because of temperatures down into the 20s, so that could cause some black icing on our roadways and also the bridges and overpasses, so extreme caution will be needed Monday morning. For tonight, weather aware because of the bitterly cold temperatures down into the teens. That breeze remains strong for us at times, so wind chill values will be even colder. And then for tomorrow, that wind will shift out of the south, helping us to warm up back into the lower, perhaps even middle 50s for a few locations, but still there will be a chill in the air. For Saturday, we are back into the 60s for highs. A few showers will start to move in late in the day. And then on Sunday, starting with the rainfall and then with that potential to switch over to a wintry situation during the afternoon as that coldest air moves in, because those high temperatures will be early on in the day and then dropping through the afternoon. So we could see that switch over, and then that refreeze is going to be an issue for us Monday morning, especially those bridges.
A huge swath of area all the way from Florida up, I saw.
Yeah,
too.
Definitely. And that could wobble back and forth a little bit to the northwest or south. So we will be fine tuning it over the next couple of days.
All right, keep us updated.